Okay, you are welcome to TRIONLIFE herbal products. First, we'll be talking on Trion X30 herbal mix blocks. It's made up of noni, soursop, and aloe vera. This herbal product is very good and rich. It's a very good immune booster. If you look at it, you can see the benefit of it. It increases your physical endurance. It increases your immune activity, helps in weight management, helps in bone health, and maintain your body blood pressure, and also balance your sugar level. You can see the full content of it. Then we'll go to another product of TRIONLIFE. We have cleansing, which is an infection cleanser. We go to another one. This is Vintes. It is used for the treatment of hormonal imbalance. Then we have Antrias. It's a herbal capsule for arthritis care. We have the Antrias oil, which you use also for arthritis and rheumatism. We also have another product, which is the FertiCap. This is the FertiCap. It's a fertility booster from TRIONLIFE. It helps for fertility. Both male and female can take it. All these ranges of herbal products are available. They are natural, good for your health. Trion X30. You have the Anthrax. You have the FertiCap. You have the Vintes. We have the arthritis oil. Anthrax for arthritis. TRIONLIFE health products is available for a lot of health issues. No matter the health challenges, we have natural cure for them. Order your TRIONLIFE health products, and you have cause to give God the glory. Order is all available for your consumption. Order now that is available.
In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my light, my strength, my song. This cornerstone, this solid ground. In Christ alone, my hope is found.